Hi, welcome back to the course. So we have seen the arithmetic operations around these integers. So let's have a questions. So the first question you have to solve is you are given the radius of a circle and the pi value is 3.14. Can you find the area of the circle, and it should print like the area of the circle is xx.xx. And the question number 2 is, suppose you are running a lottery company and you have distributed 100 tickets. So now you are as a head of the company. You know that the ticket only one ticket has a prize associated with that, and the ticket with that will get won is the one which has the last digit 7. So you made the automatic portal for your users to check whether they have won or not. So they can just enter that the respective ticket numbers from, like, you have created an online web portal, so they can just enter and let us, and the portal will let them know that whether you have win or not. So just to make this situation, uh, how you will fetch the last digit of a lottery to make that portal logic. If the lottery number is, you are given the lottery number, this is your lottery number, and you want to display, hooray, you won the lottery, as your last digit is 7. Okay, so this you want to print on the screen. So this is just made for the logic you have to create. So let's solve the first question. Okay, so you are given the radius of a circle 4. So can I name a variable with the radius, or just a variable with r? Okay, so I will call it as radius. I know the value of radius is 4. And also I'm given the value of pi, it's mentioned in the question, is 3.14. Okay. Now I will shift enter, and I got these two values, and I can check whether those values are assigned to those variables or not. So I got that. So now I have to calculate the area of a circle, and you must be knowing the area formula. If not, you can Google it. So the square formula of area of a circle is pi r square. You have to multiply pi with this r, the value of r square. So in Python, if you want to perform this function, what you have to do is, for doing the r square, you have like, for any digit to have its square, you just have to use asterisk sign twice. So suppose I want to find 2 square. So what I will do is 2 star star 2, and it will give me 4. If I replace here 5, now I know 5 square is 25, so it will give me 25. So this is the logic behind, you can say, finding the square values. So what I will do is I will multiply pi. Okay, I want to multiply it what with my radius. Sorry for the mistakes. Radius into 2. So this is my formula. First it will square the radius, and then it will give me value of area. Now if I check, I have a value of area as 50.24. So what I will do is I have to print in this format the area of the circle is xx.xx. So we have already seen this in exercises. So what I will do is I will write the print command. I will start with the f string, and I will write the area of circle is, and what I will pass the variable, that is area. If I now press shift enter, I'll get my answer.